In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can make money with Divi's Marketplace coming up. Hello everyone, my name is Mac, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Divi's Marketplace and how you can make money with the marketplace. All right, so first of all, I want to talk about the opportunities. So when we take a look at Divi itself, it has a massive user base. We're talking about 700,000 customers. So chances are, if you create something, it has an audience. So this is why I'm really excited to share how you can make money with this marketplace. But before we do that, I just want to go to the marketplace and show you what it looks like. So over here, this is the main website. So you can see here, the main things are the child themes, extensions, and layouts. So these layouts are pretty much layouts that you can just sell as a package. So here we can see we have quite a few. Now this one here is a gallery layout. This one here is pretty much a massage homepage. So if I click on it, you can see here, this is the main page. If I go to the live demo, this page has been created using Divi. So pretty much what these people are doing is packaging their designs and pretty much selling them. So if you already use Divi, you will know how to put this page together. And just by looking at this page, I can tell the components of this page. This is a hover effect. And over here, you can see all these elements here are all from Divi. And here we also have these hover effects. So pretty much there's nothing really complicated about this. You can design these pages if you've used Divi before. Now, I don't want to really target this video towards designers that are already experienced in using Divi. I'd also like to extend this to anyone that wants to go into making money with Divi on the marketplace by saying, if you haven't designed a website before and you're brand new to this, I have a course called Web Design Formula. Now, this course teaches you everything that you need to know about web design itself and also how to design professional looking websites with Divi. Now, what I'm going to do in this video, specifically this video, is if you're interested in getting started with web design, send me an email to mac@marketa.co.uk. I will give you a 50% discount to this course. It's going to cost you about $248 after the discount. So this course pretty much teaches you everything that you need to know about design. So once you purchase that course, you're going to go through the ins and outs of Divi, how you can design professional looking websites. And this is going to work as your opportunity to start designing these layouts, which you can then sell on the marketplace. And by the way, once you create one layout, you can sell it over and over again. So it's not like one product or one layout and pretty much that's it. Now, it doesn't mean that once you design these layouts, that's pretty much it. You can design many different types of layouts and just sell them on the marketplace. And this could be your main opportunity to make money. Now, this is mainly for designers. So again, you may be asking, so what about developers? Well, there's again something for you as a developer. So if I come back over here, you notice that we have extensions. So extensions are pretty much more like plugins that plug into Divi and give it extra functionality. So here you can see here we have Divi Events Calendar. We have Table Maker, we have Log Extras. So there's quite a few extensions that you can make that work well with Divi if you're a developer. So these are the opportunities, and I'm really excited about this because you can really make money with your Divi license. Now, before I forget, I'd also like to remind you that if you do buy Divi using my affiliate link, you'll get access to the Web Design Formula course. Now, this is the course that I was telling you about earlier on, which teaches you how to design professional looking websites with Divi. So all you have to do is to buy Divi using my affiliate link. I'll add all that information in the video description below. And then once you've bought it, just go to funnelstoincome.com. On the bottom right, there's an icon, a support chat icon. You click on it and I'll give you access to that course, provided that you give me the receipt number or you attach the receipt itself. All right, so back over here on the site, if we take a look here again, back on the child themes, you can see here there are already a few child themes here on sale. You can actually be very lucky and get featured. And you can see here, people are starting to make sales. Divi e-commerce here has 24 sales already. Divi child themes has 8 sales. Now this Marketplace has just recently been released. So it hasn't been out there for a very long time. So I would say if you want to get started with this, this is the time. You need to go in, make your name before it gets saturated. You know how it is. If you get onto this as early as possible, you'll have less competition and you'll get more people to know you. Now, you may be asking, well, is it just enough to just put a product out there? To be honest, as I mentioned before, 700,000 customers. This is a big deal because these customers already use Divi. It's not like you're trying to sell your product to people that have not heard about Divi before. So you are selling to existing customers. So this will be really, really good. All you have to do is to make sure that you follow the design guidelines and design professional looking layouts. And as I mentioned before, the guidelines are all in my course. If you follow that course, it will teach you everything that you need to know about creating professional looking websites. I cover things like typography, photography, layout, and also color theory. So all these are ingredients that make your website look professional. Now, the other thing I also want to mention here is to sign up to be a seller. It's very, very easy. All you have to do is to come over here to the site. You hover over here where it says creators. And if you want to read more about it, you can read here how it works. Or you can just click here on become a creator. Now, when you click here on become a creator, you'll get this form where you need to go in and add your username, your password, and so on, first name, last name, your email address, country of residence. You fill in this form, and once you filled it in, send it away, and it's going to take a few days or maybe even less. And you will get a response to hear if you are going to be accepted to become a seller. Now, there's no harm in trying it out now. Go ahead, try it out. Sign up as a seller right away. This is your opportunity. So what are you waiting for? Head over to elegantthemes.com/marketplace and sign up to become a seller. And as I mentioned, if you either buy Divi using my affiliate link, you also get access to my course. And also it has a 50% discount. But you have to email me on mak@maketa.co.uk and I'll give you that specific code. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.